painting and designing every day and building the world's largest 3D printing company. Today I 3D printed a mini airless table tennis ball in glossy fluorescent orange. First attempt was PLA and it looked great, but I couldn't squeeze it. Too rigid. So I printed another one in TPU and now it's much more flexible, actually feels like a real ball. This got me thinking, would you like to see me print a full-scale basketball in TPU or other 3D printing materials? Let me know in the comments, and if you want to see that challenge. Also, new products are live on our website. Check out the links in the bio for designs and more. See you on day 20. Enjoy.